Alright, here it is. CyberTruck Vault Cargo Divider. I got this because there's no reviews or any unboxing of this. I want to see what this is like installing and using on the CyberTruck. Alright, so let's open it up. Alright. Oh. Ooh. This thing is pretty heavy. Oh, wow. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Doesn't look like there's anything else. Alright, onto the vault divider. This thing feels maybe like 10 to 15 pounds. The whole thing is made out of aluminum. Some screws in the bottom there. This bottom part is rubber. Looks like this top thing comes off. Oh, I see. So this latch retracts on both sides. See? You can see when I lift it, it does it on both sides. This goes into the L-track hook, I guess. Alright, let's try putting it in. So I have to retract this. Okay. So it fits perfectly between the guide rail on the floor. You just have to line it up and make sure it aligns. Then you just push it in. Like that. There you go. Oh, this is cool. Really sturdy. It says it can handle 50 pounds. It's got another nice CyberTruck logo on the bottom there. So that's at the furthest position at the front of the truck. I think it looks really good. Let's try it on the furthest away one. Well, they put my bottle opener there, so I can't use that one. There you go. You could go further, but this bottle opener is in the way, and I need a torque screw to remove it. So that's how it looks like. Because the pass is more slanted on the inside and it goes wider out here, it leaves a gap here. So if you have any belongings that could roll around, it could definitely come out through here. But otherwise, oh, there's a little bit of give on the bottom here. Otherwise, it's pretty sturdy. I think for me, the best spot is to put it somewhere after this brake here so that you can still open the lower storage area. I think this would be the best spot. right there. So because the bed's raised right here, it's having a hard time fitting into the middle part. Let's see if I can push it a little bit further. Wow. Well, that's a bummer. You can't put it on that truck because it doesn't want to go in. So I am a bit disappointed that this cargo divider cannot be installed in the middle third of my truck. I discovered that the right side of my floor bed was slightly higher than the left, which didn't allow the extending pistons to engage into the L-track system. I tried using my own weight to push down the vault, but it simply will not engage. I'm not sure if the bed floor can be adjusted or tightened to decrease the unevenness, but regardless, I contacted Tesla service to address this issue. So I'll have to follow up with them and if they're able to fix this issue or not. But for now, I'll continue using my vault divider because I'll be mostly using the divider on either end of my truck bed so I can mount my bicycles. Anyway, thanks for watching, subscribe, and I'll be posting updates of my CyberTruck. See you in the next one.